What is up, people? Today we're going to be playing a game that has been heavily requested. It is not heavily requested. Only one person requested it to me. Dandy's World! Sounds like a kid's game. Sounds like a kid's game. That's it. It just sounds like a kid's game right now. Half-Life 2 noise? I'm a box. What am I? Wowzers. Hi, buddy. Garden view. Okay, I should go find some people.
Let's do this.
Ooh. Machine, you ask? What the flip? What the frick was that? What the frick was that? What the frick? What the Did she die? No Schmidt. Never mind, she died. No Schmidt, she died. I guess I have to find these like boxes. Elevator. Go. Goodness, I make this whole thing look easy. Is that... Man, no thank, I'm good. Dandy? Is this Dandy? Dandy? Dandy's World? Dandy's? I want to do one of these things. I'm happy nothing exploded. I'm scared. Actually, I'm not scared. This is a kid's game. Oh! There's someone chasing me! I'm good. What is goody, my gang? I am running. No. Ah! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ooh, a rainbow carpet. It's gay. No thank you, I'm out of here. Oh yeah, snaps legs. I ran out of stamina. Oh, I need that. I need a protein bar. I should have bought 2. Bye. I guess. Thank you so much. What are you looking at? Huh? Oh! Oh shoot, it's a shrimp. Are you telling me a shrimp fried this? I hate when I have to talk. Oh, what's up? Mrs. B. I'm so smart. I'm just gonna run casually. So I'm just gonna walk casually.
Huh?
Boxman!
Why are you running?
I gotta run.
Why are you running?
Shrimp, get away, shrimp. Mrs. Shrimp. Mrs. Shrimp. I'm gonna die. Jack versus Skibidi Toilet. epic. Hey people, do you want to make sure that you see more of your favorite lovable guy play this kind of content? Nobody loves me. Well, make sure to like and subscribe. Maybe press notifications. It's all up to you. I just wanted to make sure I'm looking comfortable. And that's it. Bye! Edging battle. Check for skibidi toilet. Okay. Okay. Calm down, Shrimp. Mrs. Shrimp. Calm down, Mrs. Shrimp. Do not spot me, Mrs. Shrimp. Mrs. Shrimpy. Mississippi. Mrs. Shrimp Fish. Mrs. Fish. Mrs. Fish! Oh no, it's Pomni! I'm turning. Gosh, I need to learn these characters. So, Mrs. Shrimp! Okay, I'm done for. Goodbye, world. I'm gonna try to eat my thing. Oh, Dash versus Skibidi Toilet epic edging battle. How the frick did I not die? Ooh, a tape. Dash versus Skibidi Toilet epic edging battle. Yar. Thanks. Ah! Oh, frick! 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 Digital circus. Oh my gosh. Ah! Yeah, but no, this looks like a lot like Rainbow Friends. Like Rainbow Friends from Poppy Playtime. I don't know. I don't know these games too well. But hey, love doing anything. Please, I need to. Please. Oh, there they are. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.